Okay, this is the metric system and doing conversions when only working with metric units. Why the metric system rules. So we're going to use King Hector died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk to remember our units, or I'm sorry, our prefixes. So these are our prefixes. Kilo means 1,000 times your base unit. Hecto means 100 times your base unit. Deca, 10 times your base unit. Your base unit changes based on your problem. So it's either going to be gram, meter, or liter. That's why we just use generic unit. Deci, be careful, deci and deca are not the same. Deci is 0.1 times your base unit. Centi is 0.01 times your base unit. Milli is 0.001 times your base unit. So these are the same as dividing by 10, dividing by 100, dividing by 1,000. It's just kind of easier to look at it as decimals and fractions. So you can also think of this, if you like exponents, you can think of it in terms of exponents. So your base unit, either gram, liter, or meter, is going to be the same as 10 to the 0 power. If you have done it in math, anything to the 0 power equals 1. So x to the 0 power equals 1, 10 to the 0 power equals 1, 5 to the 0 power equals 1. Anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. That's just a rule. So just memorize that one. As you go up, 10 to the first power is 10. 10 to the second power is 100. So 10 to the third power is 1,000. So that's the same as 10 times 10 times 10. These are also equal to the number of zeros after your 1. So as you go down, 10 to the negative 1 power is 0.1. 10 to the negative 2, 0.01. 10 to the negative 3, 0.001. So you get larger as you go up, smaller as you go down. If you're not comfortable working with exponents, that's okay. You can just memorize it like this. It's the same thing. It's just sometimes you can cancel exponents, and as you get up into higher math, that's a little bit easier. So the good thing about this system is when you have King Hector died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk, and you want to convert from, say, I have 2 grams, and I want to know how many kilograms is that. So I usually just wrote this on the top of my test paper, and I still use it now, I'm not going to lie. King Hector died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. Gram is one of my base units, so it's here. And I want to have kilograms, which is here. So if I have a 2, how many spaces is it to the left? 1, 2, 3. So 2 is the same as 2.0. That means I move my decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left. 0, 0. My decimal would be here. And of course you put a 0 in front of it. So 2 grams equals 0.002 kilograms. And that makes sense because kilograms are larger than grams. So that's why you have a number less than 0 here. Let's do one getting larger. Let me change my pen color. What if I have 200 meters and I want to know how many centimeters is that? I think I worded that wrong in the question. I'm sorry. 200 meters is equal to how many centimeters? Meter is one of my base units, so that would be here. Centimeter is 2 places to the right. So 200 is the same as 200.0. If I moved 2 places to the right on my chart, I'm going to move my decimal 1, 2 places to the right. So that means 200 meters is equal to 20000 20,000 centimeters. And that should make sense because centimeters are smaller, so there would be more of them. So that's a start to converting metric units. It's a little different than dimensional analysis. You can use dimensional analysis using these values here, but to me, it's easier just to use this chart because you just move your decimal as many places as you move from letter to letter. I hope this helps you out. See you later. Bye.